Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the long-awaited try on bikini haul. This is my most viewed video on YouTube. I think I did this during COVID. It was in 2021, I believe. So now we're back. I'm doing a review of some bikinis I've recently got and collected and trying them on for you guys, giving you guys my honest opinions on everything. And let's just get into the video. First, we are wearing a Pretty Little Thing bikini. Okay, steel blue sequin bikini is this one. The top I'm wearing in a size 4 and the bottoms are a size 8. They were on sale. This set is super cute. I really have been loving blue lately. Blue has never been a color that I have worn that's really not in my closet at all. The only issue I have with this bikini is the underside. So where this seam ends on the other side, the fabric follows. So it kind of is irritating / itchy to the skin. So honestly, you could just get fabric, glue it over, or put a band-aid or tape or something for like a temporary fix. I'm honestly not super worried about it, but this bikini gives me like European summer vibes. And I'm trying to have one of those next summer. So you'll probably see this then. But I had to go and support my girl Lori, so that's why we're here. Anyways, tie bikini. The bottoms are kind of like adjustable, so you can make them super tiny or you can widen them out a little bit. I personally like a little tiny small bikini, okay? Okay, so the cover up I tried on with this bikini is the Mocha Fishnet Diamante one shoulder lace up beach maxi dress in a size small. It's like a nude, like glittery dress. It's so pretty. It's kind of hard to show, but you guys will see. It's like a one shoulder. The crystals are just super iridescent. I think it's kind of coming off on the camera. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I personally really like that cover up. I'll say prices as well. So the bikini, I got it on sale. $18 for the top, $15 for the bottom. The cover up was $68, and I'm pretty sure it was on sale, so I was like, I need to have it. I don't know if it's worth $68 because as I've worn it, I've seen small flecks of like the diamonds kind of fall off. Be wary. It needs to be taken very good care of, and I don't even know how you would wash something like that. Let's not even get into thinking about that right now. All right, so next we have this chocolate bikini with these like gold leopard. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like a leopard print, but this set is called the Chocolate Contrast Gold Trim set. I love the top. I just thought it was like super unique and different. It's like chocolate brown, which is neutral, but just has like that little pop. The sizes for these are, okay, so for some reason this set, I didn't get to choose the bottom size, but altogether it's a size 6. The bottoms aren't adjustable. So you only just the tie, you can't scrunch up the front, you can't scrunch up the back. Price of this was $34. Next is the black glitter net itsy bitsy gold bead tie side bikini. What a tongue twister. The bottoms are a size 8 and the top is a size 4. Top was $18. The bottoms were also $18. I'm really glad I got it because I just think it's an elevated basic black bikini. It is a little bit flimsy, but I think it's because it's a crochet like knit material. You can kind of see it's just not a typical swimsuit, I guess. I do really like the gold beads in the middle. I think that was like a super cute detail they added. The bottoms also have the gold bead. It's just one bead. So the thing about the beads is that they move around, which can be annoying. So these are more adjustable where you can scrunch up the front, scrunch up the back, give her a thong vibe. And I really do like adjustable ones because if I want more coverage, I can have it. And if I don't have to. Also, for some reason, I have an extra string. I don't know. I guess that's just in case one of them breaks or gets lost or something. I guess it just came in the package. So the cover up I tried on with that one is the black cutout beach cover up. This is just one size. It's just like a short sleeve bodycon. This honestly doesn't cover anything. Once you put it on, like, and it's super stretched out, you can just see everything. If you're okay with that, like I am, then I definitely say get it. If you want something that is going to really cover your body or is like sheer, doesn't have holes, I wouldn't get this because there's holes everywhere. But I thought it was like a sexy little thing to have. And then I forgot to add this rep set. I love this one. It's really cute. I will say the skirt bottoms are a little short, or a lot short actually. This is the chocolate netted tie beach sarong. The size I got in this, the top is medium, the bottoms are large. I think I sized up because I didn't want it to be too small on the bottom. I wanted to, if I needed extra fabric or wanted to cover up more, I would be able to. So if you're a bit larger on the bottom side, I would recommend sizing up. You'll see when I try it on, like it just stops at my butt cheeks. So there's that. For the top, I got a medium because I just have pretty big arms. So even with a medium, this is a little bit tight for me, but it does have a little bit of stretch to it. So it's comfortable, but I'm really glad I sized up because if I would have gotten a small, it wouldn't have fit me at all. Like I would be ripping through like the Incredible Hulk. Lastly is, oh my God, this bikini. Well, this is like a one piece, I guess. So it's Cobalt O-ring cutout swimsuit. The size that I got is a size 6. And I'm reading you guys US sizes, so I'm making sure that these are all the US sizes. The UK size is going to show something different. But since we in the US, I'm going to say US. This was the most difficult bikini to put on. It is cute, but it wraps tight. And it's kind of hard, I guess, to get the wraps to lay the right way. I was just glad I got it on. Seriously, I'm debating returning this. I feel like the color is gorgeous. I think I got it because I thought it would be super sexy, and I think it is really sexy. But I'm really not over how hard it was to put this on at all. So take out your own risk. Let me know what you guys think. Like, leave a comment if you think I should keep this. Is it worth it or is it not worth it? Because also the tan lines with this, like, I don't know. I think there might be too many complications with this one in particular. Okay, so that's all of the bikinis I got from Pretty Little Thing. Lori Harvey's edit/collection. I really love, like, literally all of the bikinis except for that blue one, just because it was extremely difficult to put on. Everything else I love. I think the vibe is very like beach club, beach party, pool party. I feel like these aren't really made for you to like go swimming in and all of that stuff. Like if you want to just have a swim, chill in the sand, get a plain bikini without any extra decor going on. These are more like party, photo-esque, picturesque like vibe, if that makes any sense. Okay, so this next set is one is from Fashion Nova, 2 are from Night Swim by Gabby Cheyenne, 1 is from Princess Polly. Alright, so the first one I'm going to show you is the Pamela. These are expensive, but the quality is really good. I also personally have been following Gabby for a really long time. I love her content. I'm super proud of her, and I had to support, a small woman-owned business. I really love these bikinis. So the Pamela I got in a medium for top and bottom. Bottom is $50, the top is $54. And I will say that she is all about diversity and inclusion, body size and type, and in skin color. So both of these I got because the dark-skinned women on modeling the bikinis looked so good in these colors. And I was like, I need these colors. So she also loves to make her things extremely, extremely adjustable. The straps adjust here, and then the back is a clasp. This one is super tiny, and this one is known to be for getting a good tan, so you get the perfect tan line. So this is like their most minimal bikini. And then the bottoms are like this. You can't adjust the back. It covers a lot, and it's like a thick, I think it's pretty thick going down, so it covers up everything down there, but the cheeks are out. If you are interested, make sure you check out Night Swim. They post a lot of the models and the different styles and stuff there as well. This is the Winona top in Rosy. I got this because of the dark-skinned woman wearing it, modeling it. The color just like popped. It popped. And this color's, I feel like it's such a unique color. I think it's not picking up on camera, but it's like a lavender with pink. It's a perfect blend of pink and purple. I love this part. I feel like it makes for like good coverage on your boobs, and then the middle is kind of like adjustable, so if it's needed to be super tight and you want them to be together or you want it looser, you can adjust this string here. Typically with halters, I think like, you know, our boobs are hanging and then we're like this and like it hurts your neck and your back. But I think with this, the way that you can adjust the straps so it can be as tight as you want or not as tight as you want makes all the difference, and also being able to adjust right here. Okay, perfect. I found the Bambi bottoms. Now these bottoms I think are super unique and super cute. It's like a double strap situation. I like using it on the double loop thing, and I think you can kind of like crisscross it around. Like, I don't know, you could kind of just make your own situation with this, but again, this is like one of the more cheekier ones. And in both of these, the Winona top was a medium and the Bambi bottom is also a medium. Bambi bottoms are $48 and the Winona top is $58. I think the Bambi might be cheaper because it was already a pre-existing style, and the other styles I think are all brand new. All right, so that was night swim, and now we're going to City Beach, Australia. These are a gold set. This is a gold set with a scrunch here so you can adjust the bikini. The brand is Topanga, and the size I got is a size 10. Super comfortable, sturdy. I will say the triangles for these ones are pretty small, and the size I got in this is a size 8. I got this a long time ago, so I don't think I'm going to be able to find the email, but I can make sure to link down below. Okay, coming back super quick because I think I forgot to mention the Fashion Nova bikini I got. This is from the Jody collection, I'm pretty sure. This one is really tiny. You will see when I try it on. The triangles are really small. I think it'd be better without the padding. This part is adjustable, but it's limited because of the rings. It's cute. You just gotta be careful. You put it on, you're laying it down, and if you need to get up, like put on a little skirt or just make sure that everything is intact before you go. And last but not least, I got this set from Princess Polly. I love how colorful and like tropical it is. This would be great for any type of like tropical vacation, Mexico, Jamaica, like the islands. I'm really obsessed with this bikini. I wore it so many times last year. I haven't really gone to the beach a ton or like the pool a ton this year, but this is just like my go-to comfy bikini. This one is also really small, so just be careful, but it does have, again, that scrunch adjustable detail, but this is as wide as it goes. And then the bikini top, super cute. I also don't remember what size I got in this, but okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my try on bikini haul. I hope you love all of these bikinis as much as I do. Leave a comment with what your favorite bikini was. Let me know if you like these types of try on videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok to also see the rest of my content. Most of my content goes up on Instagram and TikTok first before it comes here, and I also just post a little bit more frequently on Instagram and TikTok, but here I leave a lot of more in-depth reviews. And also let me know what type of video you want to see. I have gained a couple new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. It really does mean the world to me that people are just watching me like try on clothes and like sit and talk about clothes. It's honestly like one of my favorite things to do, so the fact that I can like share that with some other people is really awesome. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Bye.